Top 5 apps likes jewelry reviews that actually work today. As jewelry is known for high-quality diamonds, but most people get this wrong by buying without verification. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide authentic, certified jewelry and transparent reviews. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Blue Nile offers certified diamonds with full grading reports. Users love secure transactions and clear product details. Second, James Allen provides 360-degree viewing of diamonds. Customers highlight real-time consultations and verified stones. Third, Brilliant Earth focuses on ethically sourced jewelry with certification. Users appreciate verified quality and social responsibility. Fourth, Worthy auction platform for jewelry. App users report verified appraisals and secure sales. Finally, Gemvara allows customization of certified stones. Users value verified products and transparent pricing. Pro tip: always check certification and customer reviews. This protects you from low quality or synthetic stones. These 5 apps help you purchase jewelry safely, confidently, and ethically.